Okay, everybody, I want to ask you, okay? So after we did this example 6, I want you to compare with the number 6 and number 5. What is the differences between them? Okay, so let's do the number 6. There are 5 regions that needed to be colored by 6 different colors as shown in the figure. Each region can only be colored with one color and no adjacent regions can be the same color. How many different ways are there to do the coloring? Okay, still the same thing, but this time there are 5 regions, but there are 6 different colors. Okay, everybody, be careful with the question. Hmm. 这道有点难的，所以 you need to think about it, the details.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course. Okay, Austin has sent me the answer. Iwan has sent me the answer. You two are not same to each other, so that either Iwan get it right or Austin get it right, or both of you get it right, or both, no, both of you get it wrong. Okay, we get, okay, so Iwan, you want to change your answer? No? Okay. So Peter and
No,
I,
it's yeah. I did 5. I thought there were only 5 colors before.
okay. 这 probability 的题目就是有点难啊，不过我觉得这个Austin 这个学电脑的这个优势就是
太规划
啊，
dynamic programming。
对啊对啊，这个跟 programming 很有关系，对不对？所以我就跟你说，这个很多东西都是相关联的。但是你看这个很好啊，就是你的老师 at least understand that you something you're good at, right, Austin? I can predict it. You're gonna feel you are the one who's feeling the most comfortable in this class for
但是
these.
我就觉得动态规划最难，
真的吗？
最难。
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so everybody, the differences between A and sorry, question 5 and question 6 is A is in the center. Okay, though for question 5 and question 6, A is actually attached to B, C, D, E, but the attachment is kind of different. And plus, everybody, you're going to find out plus 1 color is actually going to change the number by big differences. Everybody, so the first question, number 5, we only have 540 different ways of doing that. So let's take a look at this one. So how about number 6? So who is going to the big brother in this question? So who is going to get the chance to choose the first one, June?
A.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so we're gonna still name A like there are 6 different ways of doing A, okay? So we just to do one by one. If A has 6 different ways and I think B has 5, everybody, C has 4, correct? Okay, so a lot of students just to continue do that, and because 6 and 4, they're attached to each other, and so we can just do D as a 5 different ways and keep coming doing that. But unfortunately for this one, did they say, they didn't say that the color can be used more than once or anything like that. Okay, when we're talking about the D, actually we need to discuss about D, actually. Why? Because if D is the same color as B, or D is a different color as B. If we think D is having the different color as B, D only have 3 options. Get it, everybody? Okay, if D could be this different color as B, so D only have 3 options because we only have 3 colors left. Because this one doesn't say that we can use one color more than once. Get it, everybody? I want you to take a look at the question. I said, I emphasize for so many times. 你会记得老师说了好几遍，在让你们做这道题目的时候，只有你记不记得？我说了 ，What is the difference? Yeah，
我可以去上厕所吗？
可以，你去吧。
老师，因为我每次吃饭的时候，我都会喝杯水，然后吃完饭过一会儿就要上厕所。
好，去吧，你不要现场直播就行。OK，so 为什么这道题型第6题和第5题有这么大的不同 ？Everybody, it's because number 5 said we can use each color for more than one time. Get it, June? But this one doesn't say it. So that's why if B is the same color, so B is 6, 5, 4, 3, and E is also 3. So it's 5 times 4, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 3. That is if D is different color as B. Okay, so that's the case. But 他有没有说不能多用一次啊？没说，对不对？ So D also could be the same color as B. Get it, everybody? So when the question didn't mention, we need to discuss it. Get it? So if D is having the same color as B, D is only one option. 什么 option? 跟 B 一样的 option. Get it? Okay, that means D has no option. Whatever B is what color, D is this color. So which leave E actually having more options, right? Because D is the same, so this one is actually 4. So if D is the same color as B, is 6 times 5 times 4 times 1 times 4. So then you plus these 2 together. So the answer is 1,506 different ways.
但是这种做法的话，如果它那个环上再多了一个 region， 它这个就比较麻烦。
对。OK， 好，哦，不对，对吧
Wait,
？OK，
why is it times 1? 为什么 D 和 B 必须一样？
没有，你这2个 case 嘛，这个是 case 1，这个是 case 2。因为这道题目没说可以每一个 color 都可以 more than once， 所以 Ivan 在这个题目里面你要考虑说，如果他说每一个 color 可以用 more than once， 就是 case 2。如果他没说每一个 color 可以do more than once， 就是 case 1。So you need to plus these 2 cases together. Get it? Because this question is not as clear as the first one. 第5题上面写的很清楚。第5题上面说什么？第5题上面说How many different ways are there if each color is allowed to be used more than once? So that's a case 2. Get it? But for this question, it doesn't say it. It doesn't say anything. 它既没有说不能用一次，也没有说必须要只能用一次，所以你就必须把2种情况都考虑进去，然后把它加起来。 Get it, Iwan? Yeah, so I know. 所以在这个题目一定要看得非常非常清楚。题目稍微变一变，这个题目就不一样了。Okay? So let's take a look at this one. Example 7. Let's take a look at example 7. Using red, yellow. 哎，这次又不一样了。你看这样子。Using red, yellow, blue, black color. So 4 different colors to color the figure as shown. Each region is colored with one color and no adjacent region can have the same color. If each color is allowed to use more than once, how many ways are there to color? Okay. Okay, good job, June. June 说，哎呀 let me change it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So most of the kids get it right. Very good. Okay, good job. So everybody, I have said you need to put them into the different cases, okay? Pen, take a look, okay? The probability, I know it is a little bit hard for you, okay? I know how much you hate this one. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So there are 2 cases as well, okay? When you have the thing in the center, especially when 2 colors, they're like, it's like, how to say, it's like, 有没有像那个哑铃？有没有点像哑铃？就是有一个头，有一个尾的，像这种题目 okay? You have a head and tail. So everybody, you need to make sure that you understand that those questions we have to change, like we at least have 2 cases, okay? Isaac, good job. Okay, we have red, yellow, blue, and black. So 4 different colors, okay? So first one, we just make them A, B, and C, and D, okay? So just to make them easier to identify. So A obviously have 4 different colors, right? Okay, so and one way to color region B, if A and B have the same color, okay? So case 1, we say if A and B having same color. Everybody, I want you to write down this one, okay? Austin, you don't have to do it because you do it really quick. So everybody else, I want you to make sure when you're doing those questions, when you're having the math competition, so A and B is having the same color. So if A have 4 options, so I win, how many options for B?
4.
No,
Or no, 33.
no,
Wait, same. It was 1.
same color. What? Peng, how many different ways are there for B? If A and B are the same color? So I just explained earlier, okay? When A has 4 options, but B is having the same color as A, so B has only 1 option because B must be the same as A. AKA B has no options. B is a follower. Get it? Whenever somebody said, you have to do the same thing I did, That means you don't have a choice, everybody, okay? So don't do that, okay? So that means whenever she said, you said, and that's the same thing. Get it, everybody? So A and B are the same. Everyone understood? Okay, so because A and B are the same, so C has how many options? 3, and D has 2. Get it, everybody? So if A and B are the same color, so 4 times 1 times 3 times 2. Get it, Ping Ping? Ping Ping?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So when I said I get it and I name your name, that means you need to give me the requirement. You need to give me the feedback. Okay, so Kelvin. So case 2, if A and B are not the same color, or we say different colors. So A still have 4, right? So A still have 4. So for the region B, how many options are there? Kelvin?
3,
Very good. So how many options for C?
2,
Very good. How many options for D?
1.
Very good. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Everybody, did you notice that? I know all of them are 24, but it's 4 times 1 times 3 times 2 and 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that's why plus together equals 48. So the answer is A. Understood, everybody? Okay, so let's move forward, okay? So let's take a look at number 8, okay? How many different 3-digit odd possible positive integers can be made using digit 3, 4, 5, and 6 if no digit can be used more than once in number? 这道题目很简单啊，这要在做课要打了。Thank you, June. Back to the 又回到我们 June 第一名的状态啊。Thank you, everybody. Okay, so this question, I think, Isaac, 你是怎么弄的？每次把答案发给我以后，后面还有一个什么小人儿，什么举个手什么的，这是怎么弄的？Okay, everybody, it's very easy. Okay, so we have 3, 4, and 5. So 3-digit number, that means the last digit, we could only put 3 and 5 there, right?
And 6.
So yeah, so that means there's only 2 options there. But for the first place, we can have 3 options. And for the second one, because the first one has been already used, it's only 2 as well. So 3 times 2 times 2 equals 12 different numbers can be made.
There's 4 digits, 4 numbers.
Okay, so 4 numbers. Oh, sorry, 6. Yeah. 6 because 画错了. So 3, 4, and 5. So because the last one is only 3 and 5. 这道题目我们不讲了，好吗？还要讲吗？不用讲了吧？这道太简单了啊。Okay, so now let's take a look at number 9, okay? A student must choose a program for 4 courses from a menu. Of course, consists of English, algebra, geometry, history, art, physics, and Latin. This program must contain history and at least 1 mathematics courses, okay? In case you don't know that, the algebra and geometry is a mathematical course, okay? In how many ways can this program be chosen? Okay, 这个学生一定要选4门课, okay? 4 courses. I'm going to give you a little bit hint, everybody, especially Peng Peng and Calvin. You need to think about it if 1 math course is being chosen or 2 math courses being chosen. Get it? 他说 at least 1 math course need to be chosen. 那是不是有 case 1是只有1个数学课被选了 ，case 2是2个数学课都选了，因为一共只能选4个课，所以说 case two 会，如果你选了2个数学课，会影响到其他2门课的选择情况，对不对 ？OK。And then let me ask you a very simple question. For this one, is permutation or combination?
Combination.
Thank you, June. Because 你先选哪个课跟这个没有关系，对不对，艾文？
哎，history 是那个哦，没当没说。
我们 Austin，我跟你讲，真的是编程学的太多了，我跟你讲。history 是那个 history 是 math 课 ，Austin。就发给我 S，我不懂 S 是什么意思，就我看了半天，好像没有 S 这个选项。
打错了，刚才是 E。
哎呦 ，OK， 好。我跟你讲，现在还没有人做对呢 ，Austin。哎呀，Austin，我跟你讲，看来这个看到 history 就是你的死穴啊！只有你这看，
我就对了吗
不对
？Physics 不是
啊，对的
不对
对的
吗？
我做对了吗？
啊，对的对的对的对的对的，我看错了，sorry。啊
我对了
，Austin 和
吗
June 是对的，Austin 和
我
June。
当然我也对了。
你发给我了吗？点，你是要点的。OK， 好，
我对吗？
对的，点也对了。June 的 S 扰乱了我的心绪，我就想，我说啊，答案是 S，我赶快重新做一遍，我慌张了我。这道题目啊，要我们来看一下啊。So there are 2 options, right? So because history is required, right? So there are actually English, algebra, geometry, history, art, physics, and Latin, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are altogether 7 courses, boys and girls, right? So because history is a must, so leave us only have 3 out of 6, correct? 对不对？我们后面就只要在6个里面选3个嘛，对不对？ Okay, so case 1, if the student took 2 math courses， 对不对？他把 geometry 和 algebra 都选了，那是不是2门课又没有啦？对不对？其实他就只剩下什么？好了 ，history 没有了 ，algebra 没有了 ，geometry 没有了，是不是只剩下 English, Art, Physics and Latin？ 那也就是说，他只能在这个4门课里面选1门，对不对？ So which is what? Which is 4 possible answers， 对不对？如果这个人选了2门数学课，所以他只有4个 4 ways。Get it? Okay. So now let's take a look case 2. If only one math classes being chosen， 对不对？那好了，1门课嘛是 history， 1门课嘛是 math， 也就是说我剩下的只有在在几门课里面，在4门课里面选2门，对不对 ？Correct? So I'm just choosing 4 classes out of 2, right? Correct, everybody? So it's 4 factorial over 2 factorial and 2 factorial, correct? So the answer is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 2 times 4. So this one's gone, so this one's 6. So 4 classes and pick 2, we only have 6 different ways. 好，有些小朋友说4加6我做好了，哎，没有这个答案。当然不是，为什么？ Because the 2 math courses, we also have choices. 我们可以选 algebra 有6种选择，选 geometry also 有6种选择，所以是6 plus 6 equals 12. So the answer is 4 plus 6 plus 6. So the answer is 16 different ways. So the answer is E. Okay, so now let me just introduce another way of doing that. Okay, so there's a method too. So because history is required, and there are 6 remaining courses from which a student must choose 3, right? So how many possible there? Is it 6 out of 3, correct?
总数点去满足数量，不
对呀，
满足。
总的，对不对？好了，那如果我2个数学课 ，but do not including any math classes, what is 4 over 3？ 那你把这个6 over 3减去4个里面选3个，这答出来也是10。So this one will be much easier. I think Austin, you're using this way, right? Austin? Okay, you're shaking.
Austin is muted.
Okay, yeah, Austin. Understand everybody? 这个就是 this is what is no special cases. This is minus the special cases. 6门课里面选3门是说我把 history 去掉以后，我没有这个 special requirement， 就是说 at least one math courses must be in， 我把这个划掉了。如果没有这条，是不是一共6门课里面选3门啊 ？Everybody understand? Okay, so minus 4里面选3门是什么意思？没有一节数学课能选上，是不是四课里面选3课？那我把所有可以选的课减去数学课一课都不能选，剩下的是不是就是 at least one math class must be chosen? So it's 20 minus 4 equals 60. So it is another way of thinking about that. Okay, get it, everybody? So let's take a look at number 10. Okay, number 10. An envelope.
看见答案了。
对，不给你们看。那你还是要自己做一下的啊。An envelope contains 8 bills. 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 tens, and 2 20s. 2 bills are drawn without replacement. OK， 这句话很重要啊。什么叫 without replacement？ 就拿出来以后不放回去了，对不对？ How many ways are there such that their sum is $20 or more? Find out the cases, okay? 哎呀，Austin 又做好了。Austin，等下你要讲一讲，不然他们说你肯定是看答案的。Austin，好不好？So in order to make this color more than $20，我们要看看一共有多少种不同的方法啊，小朋友看清楚啊。因为你看2个5肯定不能超过10，对不对 ？Only 2 bills are being drawn without replacement。就是说你是2个同时拿出来的，不是放进去一个再拿出来一个，放进去一个再拿出来一个，对不对？
Yes.
嗯哼。那我就觉得你们应该把 case 一个一个列出来，对不对？超过20的 case。每一个20和每一个10应该在这个题目里面都是不一样的啊，因为它没有 replacement， 对吧？Isaac， 你给了我一个 OK，Peter， 我知道只有现在为什么，我知道只有为什么现在那个，他觉得我的这个答案好像跟这个答案不太一样，不太对，为什么会这样子呢？对不对？我知道，那书有可能答案不对的呀，中，我跟你说，要不然我这么我为什么给你看了一眼呢？我可能是迷惑你的呢，对不对？你看我们前面那么多答案都没给你看到，就这道题给你们看到。你不想想，老师这个人这么狡猾。
答案忘了都。
OK，我们让 Austin 来。How about you explain this question for us？
一个人做啥呀？
啊，我不知道，你来说嘛。
那个就是先把那个5个这个4个这个价格分别列出来，然后每个后面写个乘2，比如说1乘以2，然后5乘以2，10乘以2，然后20乘以2，先把这个列出来。
OK，我帮你列啊。1乘以2，2乘以5。我不要这样，我要用5乘以2。5乘以2，10乘以2，20乘以2，是这样啊？
然后我们从后往前往前看了，然后就先从最后一个20开始。如果我们第一个选的是20的话，对吧？分情况，第一个选的20的话，那么剩下还有一种选择。那第一个已经选20了，剩下不管选什么，它都可以就超过大于等于20。然后所以说第二种情况它就有9种情况。
就是 first pick，OK，我这样写好不好 ，Austin？First pick，好吧？So first pick 如果是20块钱的话，对不对？啊，不是，对，20块钱的话，那 second pick 是不是无论选什么都超过20块钱 ？Everybody, how many ways are there that the such sum is 20 or more? Get it, everybody? So 他必须要再选一个，那他随便选一个都一样，所以他有几种可能。 它可以再选一个20，对不对？它还可以选10，它还可以选10，它还可以选5，还可以选5，还可以选1，可以选1，是不是这样 ？Austin？
嗯，对。
正好
然后因为对，然后因为前面那个20它也是有2张的，所以这个情况9它是要乘以2的。然后已经有18种情况了，
嗯
然后还有干嘛？
什么地方乘以2？我不懂。
哎，因为第一个我们选了20嘛，然后第二个它又有9种情况，对吧？
1、2、3、4、5、6、7啊。
哦，说错了，7种，说错了，
嗯
说错了，然后第二个就是7种，哎，
嗯
对，7种，然后7种的话，因为前面第一个它是20，对吧？
嗯
所以说它有2个20，所以说这个7还是要乘以一个2，就14了，对吧？
Do you understand why we have to times 2, everybody? It's because this 20 and this 20 is different. 选择这个20可以有2种选择可以选，对不对 ，Austin？
嗯，
OK， 好 ，What's the case 2？
然后第一个是10，
嗯哼，
然后第二个另外一个是10，
嗯哼。
因为另外一个它只有10了，我们不可以往回去看，我们只可以取选10，对吧？
So
因
that's
为
only one way.
往下的话，再选其他5、2都不够了，然后再乘以2，16。哎，我这个答案怎么没了？
对呀，这个答案没有啦，Austin，
对，答案应该16啊。
这没有16呀。
那你这题是不是真出错了？
那我觉得，如果这么算的话，那比如说5，你可以先拿一个5，再拿一个20，对不？那这还有4种可能。
对
因为你不能倒着拿，你倒着拿的话，它就算重复了，因为它算的是 combination，它不是 permutation。
那它是 how many ways 嘛，对不？那
嗯哼
你拿一个20，拿一个5和拿一个5和20，它这是2种可能。
但它这里没有说先后。
对吧？没有吧？对，我们现在这样看啊，如果我第一个拿20，我第二个也拿20，我 I consider there's only one way. Okay, so if I have 20 and I have a 10, there are actually 4 ways. Because this 20 has 2 options and this 10 has 2 options. Can we do that, everybody? Sorry, one way. Because there are 2 20s and there are 2 10s, so I can do 2 times 2 equals 4 ways. Can we do that, Austin? Okay, so just the different ways of thinking. So let's see which one is making more sense. So K3, I'm thinking about it. Still, I'm doing 20. And the next one's 5. And because I have 2 options of 20 and 2 option 5, so it's 2 times 2 is 4 ways.
那个 case one 它不应该是2个位吗？
Case 1为什么是2个位？它没有 replacement，所以这个20和20我只有一次啊。
比如说你20，你先拿第一个20，再拿第二个20，那如果你拿另一个20，再拿另一个20，这是2个位了。
可是因为这2个20是连续出现的，它就没有前后了呀。
哦，
对，因为它是没有，它连续出现了，它就没有前后了。因为如果你要同时拿到2个20，只有一种方法中 ，understand？只有你拿到一个20和一个10，那这2个20是不一样的。Understood? Yeah. So now let me move to 20 and 1. So because there are 2 20s and 2 1s, so it's 2 times 2 equals 4 ways. So case 5, I have 10 and 10. So June again, 看到没有？当2个数字同时出现的话，它就只有一个位了。Because it doesn't matter which one you pick up first. You only have one option to get them the both. So that's why plus all of them together, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals 14.
我前面那边2个20都多算了一遍，多乘了一个2。
对对。
然后我刚刚自己这边做的时候，我那边列成5个价格了，我那边前面有一个多写了一个1乘以2，然后我前面数的时候，我就多数了2个。
对，所以我就想说，你从那边9开始就不对了，对不对？对吧？你是从9开始不对。Understand everybody? 在这个地方也出问题了，对不对？因为当两个数字，你们看一下，因为这两个钱，我们可以说，我先拿这个20和后拿这个20是不一样的。但是如果我同时拿这两个20，是不是前后就不存在了 ？Understand, Ivan? That's the differences of this question. Okay, so that is a part why it's making harder. 所以 probability 的题目就是有点难。OK， 好，我们下面来看，哎呀呀呀呀呀呀，另外一种方法 ，OK，method two. So everybody, let's just take a look at method two. So the sum of at least $20 is obtained by choosing both 20 bills, both 10 bills, or one of the 20 bills and one of the 6 smaller bills. Understand, everybody? So this is this is something Austin's thinking. Austin, 这个是你想的，对不对？好，两个20同时拿只有一个方法，两个10同时拿也只有一个方法。然后我们来看，选一个20，然后选其他数，是在这样的 Austin，两个20里面选一个，对不对？剩下的是6个里面选一个，不是7个里面选一个，所以你在这里错了。Get it, Austin? So that's the thing. And June and Austin, there's a part that I have to say that is when two bills are the same and you collect them at the same time, you cannot identify which one is big, which one is earlier, which one is later. Understood? But when two bills are not the same and you can identify which one is earlier, which one's later. Get it? 知道吗？就是我跟你说，为什么老大和老二很容易被看出来，可是双胞胎不容易看出来，因为他们长得一样呀，懂不懂？这个你懂了吧 ？So twins we need to identify 哦，这个老大头上戴一顶红帽子，老二戴一顶白帽子，为什么？可是如果是你跟你妹妹 June，你爸爸妈妈需不需要给你们穿不同的衣服来 identify？不需要。Because you're totally different. You're bigger. Your sister is younger. 对不对？ But if you have a twins and you and your sister looks exactly the same, your parents need to give you different colors to identify both of you because it's hard to find out which one is earlier, which one's later. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so that is the why. So when we're doing those questions, this is something we need to pay attention to. Get it? Okay, so now let's move forward. Yeah, to the number 11, okay? Number 11. At a party, each man shook hands with everyone except his spouse, okay? 真太差了啊！结婚了就不用举手，不用握手了，对不对？这不好，我觉得啊，以后你们的老公，我们班里面的男生以后不要这样子对你们的老婆，好不好 ？OK，Isaac 听到了吗？
男的很难，可能我
你说什么？男的很难什么？我觉得我们班里面应该真的全部都是大直男，除了艾文，我觉得艾文还有希望。我现在预见一下，我觉得艾文肯定是我们班里面最早结婚的。Because Ivan is a sweetheart. Austin 我觉得就可能一塌糊涂，肯定直男，大直男。Okay, so each man shook hands with everybody except his spouse, and no handshake took place between women. 女的和女的不握手，什么事儿呀？这是。If 14 married couples attended, find the number of handshakes among these 28 people. 我跟你讲，这道题目最容易的做的是什么啊？我给你们，哎，算了，我不说了。这道题目跟刚才那个，就是那个，如果所有的数学课都一个都不能选，然后减一减，用这个方法最快。好，我提醒你们一下啊。就是假设女的和女的也能握手，对不对？然后把这个总的数字减出来，然后把女的握手的减掉，然后呢，再把什么减掉？把这个夫妻之间握手减掉就好了，对不对？对不对？艾文，是不是这样最快？
What's a spouse?
couple 就是老婆，
Oh.
老婆老公。你看我们 Kelvin spouse 什么意思也不知道。你看，哎呀，你妈妈什么时候能够抱孙子啊？快点！哎，Kelvin，你喜欢什么样的女生？聪明的还是笨的？
I don't
Likes
know.
Elsa.
I'm 12.
He likes Elsa. He likes Elsa, even though Elsa definitely doesn't like him back. Because Elsa
Elsa,
likes
I don't even know who Elsa is. I
这个
don't
你看，
know
你
who
做题
Elsa
做好了吗？开始
who
关
Elsa
开始
is.
关心 Kelvin 喜不喜欢 Elsa 的事情了。你题目做完，哎，Peter，你喜欢什么类型的？
Elsa doesn't like him back because Elsa likes the forest girl.
哎，Peter，你喜欢什么类型的女生？聪明的还是傻傻的 ？Peter，老师问你问题了，快点回答。Peter 说：“我选择撞墙。”艾文，你笑什么？你以为我不会问你的，对吧？快点告诉我，
只有一个答案，
什么答案
就是聪明的吧？
？OK， 好。
要找一个比你聪明的。
艾文说了，要找一个比我聪明的好。阿史，你喜欢什么类型的女生？你喜欢电脑好的
那估计
女
没戏了。
啊？阿史，你喜欢电脑好的女生吗？
这个无所谓吧。
我们下一节课我要问大家喜欢长头发还是短头发的 ？Good job, June. Good job,
Definitely
I
like
win. You get
长头
both
发
of you get it right. Good
那
job.
鹏鹏肯定喜欢长头发的，鹏鹏肯定喜欢长头发。
鹏鹏是女生，喜欢什么样的男生？
June is the one that's supposed to like 长头发的 right, June?
哎，我跟你说，我小的时候喜欢长头发的男生。Seriously.
I never expected that from you.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so they're a party. Okay, so how many people are there together, June? 28, right? And like I said, if there's no restriction, okay, 没有说男的和女的不能握手啊，男的不能和他自己的老婆握手，也没有说女的和女的不能握手啊，什么什么什么。如果没有这些条件，一共可以握多少手啊？ So 28 and pick 2. Correct? 28 out of 2. 是不是？每2个人在28个里面选2个，那28个人里面选2个握手，就是 total. If there's no restriction, so altogether there are 28 out of 2 people are being selected.
他不
OK
是要所有握手，所有人都要找一个人握手，最后总共多少种组合哦？
28 over 2啊 So 28 factorial.
我以为
over
是每个人都要握一下手。
没有，这个是啊，但是这个不是嘛？这个是每个人都握一下手，一共有这么多个手要握嘛，对不对？
哦，那没。
对吧？但是现在没有那么多人要握呀，没有啊，没有那么多人握 ，OK？ 那我们来看为什么？因为他说什么 couples there are 这个什么 between women 呀？因为他说 no handshake between women， 一共有14个女的，14个女的里面她们互相握手，是不是14 out of 2 ？Correct， 对不对？那还要减去一个什么？ Each man shook hands with everybody except his spouse. 男的是不能跟他的老婆握手的，那是不是一共14下握手要减掉了？所以 basically 就这样，这个比较简单。28 factorial, 26 factorial, 2 factorial, minus 14 factorial over 12 factorial, 2 factorial, minus 14就可以了，对不对？是不是这样最快？我觉得这样最快。而且想得很快，对不对？当然你说啊，老师我不喜欢用这个方法，我喜欢另外一种方法，就是我一个一个算，我一个一个算，对不对？我算男的如果男的和男的之间握手，因为女的和女的不能握手嘛，那男的和男的是不是可以握手？是不是14？对，14个里面选2个，对不对？然后呢，男的可以和多少女的握手啊？男的可以和每一个女的握手，就是不能跟他自己老婆握手，所以是14乘以13，对不对？对吧 ？OK， 所以等于什么？也是一样的，这2个答案是一样的。Get it, everybody? So the answer is 273. 明白啦 ？OK, so most of the question we have go through. 对，超了啊。OK， 没关系啊。那等一下，今天的回家作业就是把这个 homework is about the permutation and combination 做完。OK， 一共我看一下，一共有多少题啊？这个有点难的 ，I know。一共有22道题。So you try to finish them with before the Saturday. So every day you finish at least 5 to 6 questions. Okay, but the first 7 questions should be easy. So first to fit 12 questions easy. 那第一天就把前面第12题都做完，对吧？后面星期三的时候就做星期四的时候就做13到18题，然后星期五的时候就做19到22题。Get it, everybody? I don't want you to just putting them together and do it at once, but you can do it together. Understand, everybody? Okay, Isaac? Isaac, 你在摇什么呢？在想喜欢哪个女孩子，是不是 ？OK， 我明天问你啊，我明天问你。
Amy 和 AMC 它那个知识点是一样的吗？
那不太一样。
那
所以我们先着重于把 AMC 10的全都做完，全都学完，而且我会加一点 AMC 12的进来。OK。然后那 AMC 12的会涵盖到一点 Amy 的，然后你这样，而且因为 AMC 10越来越难了嘛 ，AMC 10现在有很多 AMC 12的题目也都出来了，所以我们学的时候
那我们能在明年 AMC 之前学完吗
？AMC 10肯定能学完，AMC 10对 AMC， 那我不是还贪心嘛，我想再上点 AMC 12的嘛，对吧
？Amy 的课应该学不完吧
？Amy 的课肯定学不完，对啊，来不及，就这个，对啊，好吧，好，反正稳扎稳打，大家都还没有那个呢啊，就是你进了 Amy 就也很不错了，对吧？然后反正那个一步一步来嘛，我们都还年轻嘛，对不对？啊，有空的时候
我最后一年
没有，你可以考 AMC 12呢。
但是我12的话，我12年级考的大学大学还没
你可以11年级考
Stop
AMC 12
screaming.
的
We can't hear you when you scream.
但是那个大学申请的话，基本上就12年级刚开始的时候就申请了，那只有明年。
我是说你11年级的时候就可以考 AMC 12。
那我要考我需要 Amy 的分数吗？
对，那你们我 Amy 的东西也会加在里面讲，但是现在没讲完嘛，而且你 AMC 10的东西也没全都弄完，你首先总要先 qualify AMC 10了，你说对吧？对不对？好吧。OK， 而且我跟你说，大家有空的时候呢，就想想自己喜欢什么样的女生，什么样的男生，不要老是一天到晚误在数学里面，对不对？艾文我们所有的人希望都在寄托在你身上了啊。Okay, everybody. Okay, that's it for today's class, and wish you have a wonderful night. Okay, see you on Saturday. Bye bye.